Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today is Vlogmas day 5 I feel. So today I've just decided to do a little recipe, a quick recipe. I've done it again before, not on my reels, not on YouTube. Anyway, this is a foil beef recipe. Yeah, it's cooked in foil. Like you put everything in the foil, and then you bake. So the first thing I do is grate my tomatoes. Do you grate your tomatoes? Is this weird? I like getting the paste, and this is like the best way I know how. Next, I add my spices to that tomato paste. Another tomato paste I will use to marinate the meat and potatoes. Yeah, that was my thinking. That was it. So black pepper, garlic, and then ginger, and then onion powder. Yeah, so that those are my four titans. My four ninja turtle. What? Wait, what's that ninja? Yeah. And also added some cumin to the mix. Stir. Then I work on the potatoes. Is it a meal for me if we don't have potatoes? No, I don't think so. So here I've already put in the meat and the potatoes in my bowl, and then I add my marinade. Yes, looks good. Look, I could drink it, but anyway. Then I mix. With this you have to mix with your hand. Don't be afraid. If your hands are clean, don't be afraid to get in there. Funika. Cover it and then just set it aside for a few minutes. And then now you see those greens over there. Yeah, this is what now I'm cooking with these onions. Please remind me to buy oil. This is embarrassing. Now to like the main event, putting everything inside the foil. So you just lay everything up on ndani, panga, drizzle some juice, the tomato juice, please. It does not get this twisted. This is the tomato juice inside your bowl. Yeah, so I'm cooking for 2 people, and then oh yeah, you have to put like onions on top of everything, and then you cover it. As I said, I'm cooking for 2 people, so I wanted to make 2 foil packs. Onions, shoop, then put the juices inside, and then put on your baking round dish. Straight into the oven. I did like the maximum temperature and the maximum time. I wanted the meat cooked. There's something I'm afraid of. It's uncooked meat. I usually boil the meat, but this time I was like, trust the process, girl, trust the process. So yeah. These are my greens all done. I had to boil them, by the way, because niliona ziko na minji, and I was like, will minji be just stir fried? Anyway, so this is me checking on everything. My 2 plates. My meal is done. Look at it. It's too hot, so you have to like carry it with your tablecloth or something. So this is me serving myself a serving of the greens. Put it on the plate. Presentation. Look at it. Hey, this meal I enjoyed. Actually, I'm mouth watering right now, remembering how good this thing tasted. So you unravel. Be careful because there's a lot of steam which is tucked in there with the food, so be careful. And yeah, guys, look. Oh, it was so good. and the meat was cooked really nice, and the potatoes were all cooked. Yani this it came together. It came together like a school play. I decided to ignore all my dieting plans and just, have some soda with this meal. This is me cheating on my goals this year, this end of year. But anyway, and that's it for my meal. If you try it, tell me, Niambie, how yours turned out, what different thing you do. Bye bye.